This is Steven with Parts Doctor. I'm going to show you how to replace the drain pump in this Fisher Paykel washing machine. We'll need a few different tools. Let's get started. For this repair, unplug or disconnect power and the water supply to the washer. If your washing machine is no longer draining the water after the wash cycle, you may have a bad or faulty drain pump. The drain pump is located on the bottom of the washing machine, so the very first thing you want to do is make sure all the water is drained out of the washer and the drain hose. Also, make sure you have a towel handy in case you spill any water. To ensure it's drained, use a wet dry vac and place over the drain hose to suck all the water out. With room to tip your washer, we'll tip it on this side to give us better access to the drain pump. With access to the drain pump, the first thing we'll do is disconnect and remove the two hoses. To remove the hose, squeeze the clamp, slide it up the hose, then grab the hose and twist and pull to remove it from the drain pump. To remove this hose, squeeze the clamp, slide it up the fitting. Before you can remove this water line from the drain pump, you need to press up on the elbow to release it from this retainer. Then you should be able to pull the fitting off of the drain pump. It may be a little tricky to release the line from the retainer. Now remove the electrical cover by pulling out the back and sliding out. Now pull the electrical connector out of the retainer, depress the locking tab, ours is broken off, and disconnect the electrical connector. Now disconnect the ground wire by pulling the harness out of the retainer and pulling the two wires apart. Then remove the wires from the two retainers. Next, remove the two screws holding the drain pump to the tub. Now, grab the drain pump and gently wiggle and pull towards you to release it from the tub. As you can see, this is what caused the drain pump on this washing machine to fail. If you have a bad drain pump and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your washing machine to make sure you get the correct part. Before installing the new pump, remove the old gasket. Then clean around the opening to ensure a proper seal. Next, install the new gasket. To install the new pump, align it to the tub with the drain fittings towards the hose. Then, use the 4 provided bolts to tighten the pump down. Tighten the bolts down in a crisscross pattern. Next, run the wire through the two retainers and reconnect the electrical connectors. Then, reinstall the electrical cover. Now, reinstall the hoses by fitting the fitting over the drain pump, squeezing the hose clamp, and sliding the clamp back in place. To make install on this hose easier, tilt it at an angle. Remember, on the top, it needs to snap back into that retainer. With everything put back together, we can tip the washer back up. Plug the washer in, test it out to make sure everything's working properly. So that's it for this video. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below. And if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.